great shot with the island and big mountain. Look at that. Brilliant. Good.
Pretty cool, huh? We're sitting here having a beer and eating peanuts, and we've been out all day driving around picking up bananas, coconuts, mangoes, pamplemousse, which is obviously grapefruit, enormous things, all in the back of a ute, which we drove around, and we saw all sorts of wonderful things today. So as you can see, the boat is an absolute mess, but the beer tastes fantastic, and this is the end of our second day in Hiva Oa, over and out. This is continuing, so it's about 5 o'clock at night. We just had a beer, and this is the bay where we are anchored in Hiva Oa, and it's pretty quiet. The water's beautiful. A lot of people fish here. Lots of people fish. They catch these little tiny fish. Not sure what they taste like, but they're very popular. And there's some guys coming. You'll just see these guys rowing these war canoes. They've been going for the past half an hour or more, backwards and forwards, and man, they must be fit. I'll just get them as they go past. It's the sort of thing we would do, of course, if we weren't so busy drinking beer and eating peanuts. So here they come. If they're not getting tired by now, I don't know why, because they've been going at this for ages. And that's the way they've been finishing every leg. The guys on the right have always beat the guys on the left. In fact, they even gave them a couple of boat lengths start on the last one. But man, they're good. Who is a little guy sitting up to the right of that yacht. He's just sent them off again for another lot. This is only about 2 minutes since I ran the last video. These guys are good.
Should I speak just?
Oh well, back to the beer.